Hi and welcome to another episode of Cafe Chronicles. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new bike, the Kawasaki Ninja 1000. I'm after getting a MotoDynamic integrated taillight and also the Fender Eliminator. So I'm going to try and take off this monstrosity of a tail off this Ninja, and we're going to see if we can get that nice integrated taillight in there. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, the rear fender is just huge on it. It's a honker, you know. So what I want to do is I want to remove this. I'm going to take out the old taillight and I'm going to put in the new MotoDynamics taillight, integrated taillight, and it'll actually have it integrated in there. It'll have the turn signals as well. So let's take a peek. Really important to remember this piece. We're going to need that, and we're going to need it for the other MotoDynamics part. Here's the old one. It's really similar. A few more LEDs. Let's see how it goes. Okay, brake lights. Nice. Turn signals. One thing I don't like there is that the color coding for the turn signals, they haven't kept it the same, unfortunately, so you gotta guess. That's okay, it's not the end of the world. Nice and bright. And the turn signals. It's looking good. And the brake lights. So long to this old sucker. Man, I just can't believe how big these are. I was chatting to Merch here earlier on, one of the guys, and he was telling me that the reason why they have these honking things from the factory is that for regulatory reasons there has to be a reflector on the very most outer edge of the rear of the bike, and that's why they put that on. But it looks ugly as sin, so I was like delighted to get it off. I think now you'll see, you know, it's a lot more kind of a stealth look to it. You don't have all this kind of nonsense at the back. So I'm going to put links to everything that I used here, the MotoDynamic tail eliminator and also the MotoDynamic integrated tail light as well. So if there's anything that anybody wants, you'll see it in the description. So if you have any questions about this, I really like the quality, it's sturdy, looks nice and neat. The lights so far look really good, and they were plug and play and worked well. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you soon.